Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add logo watermarks to your image in GetStencil. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com. After that, start a new design or open an existing one where you want to add a watermark. On the left sidebar, click on the Uploads tab and upload your logo from your device and click on it. Then it will appear in the canvas here. Drag your logo to the desired location on your image. Resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. To make the watermark more discreet, click on the logo and go to the transparency settings. Lower the transparency until the logo appears as a watermark, typically between 20 or 50%. This effect ensures that your logo is visible but does not overpower the main design. Once you are satisfied with the watermark, click Save to save the design. And download the watermarked image by clicking Download and selecting your preferred file format. Your image is now ready with a professional logo watermark. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.